Hi guys, it's Bitsy back with another fast fix on that. I know all of you are wondering, what is that? Well, let me tell you. I have an old house. I guess it was built in the 1950s, and that's back when they put a lot of skylights, in our bathrooms. The skylight is getting on my damn nerves. Making all that noise at night. Sounds like people are having a party in your damn house. So, I figured out how to fix it, and I thought I'd show you. Let's get to it. All right, guys. I went out to Lowe's and purchased window insulation shrink kit. And this is what I'm going to use on my skylight. That's right. And it's going to block some of that wind. Okay, here are some of the tools you're going to need. Scissors, straight edge, razor. Be careful with that. And I have my dryer, and I have the shrink kit, and I have an extension cord for the dryer. Okay, because I'm going a little further up, I need my 3-step ladder instead of the 2. Alright, I'm going to make sure this is locked before I go up for safety purposes. And let's go up and see what is going on. Double checking the sturdiness of this ladder because I don't want to bust my head upside the toilet or the tub. Alright. There it is. There's the culprit. What the hell? Now, y'all can hear why I'm so irritated with all this noise. Comes with this plastic, and I'll be cutting this plastic, estimating how big a piece I need. If it goes over on the sides, that's fine, because I can use a razor to trim it down. Just don't want it to be too short. And it comes with this double-sided tape. Okay, let me show you exactly what I mean by this double adhesive tape. You have to pry this apart. As you can see, I already have it apart a little bit. You have to pry this apart from the white part. As you can see, I've already done that by picking it, and then pulling it. Now, if I show you that, see? Double adhesive. So what I'm going to do is put the adhesive part on all the way around the skylight. All the way around. And then I'll come back and pull the white part off so that one part of the adhesive is revealed in order to stick this to it. Okay, I'm going to use this straight edge as I place the adhesive around the skylight so I can get a nice sharp cut. Make sure your razor's sharp. Alright, I have the first part in, and I'm just going to press along the white part. Make sure it's firmly on. And then I just took the razor and cut it. And I left a little off the beginning so it can hang over a little. And this will make it easier when it's time to detach this white part from the adhesive. I did it on every corner. I left one corner hanging over the edge. Okay, I have all my tape in place, and it's time to detach this white part from the adhesive. It's going to be a little hard probably. Let's see. Am I able to do it with this camera in my hand? Alrighty. And then you just pull the white part away. Okay, grabbing the tape from the edge where I left loose. I'm going to do each piece, 4 pieces, and then I'm ready for my plastic. Making sure that that adhesive is stuck to the white part with my hands. I don't want to pull a whole piece away, just this part with the writing on it. Okay, on my last piece, double checking to make sure the adhesive is on that white part with my finger, and then I'm pulling. Alright, now I'm going to lay out the plastic, and there is a lot of plastic in this particular box, and I'm going to make sure this plastic is flat before I begin to cut. The plastic is nice and flat, and I'm going to double check and make sure it's just a single sheet, and it is. And I'm just going to stretch it out, and I'm going to do a little estimate, or I could have taken the window down, but I don't feel like it. I'm going to do an estimate cut. Alright, I've taken the plastic and I've stuck it to the adhesive on the window. And as you can see, I have a lot hanging over, but that shouldn't be a problem because I can go right around the sides with my straight edge, and I'm pressing all the way around the window, and I'm making sure that it is, every part of it is stuck to the window. It won't work if it's all not stuck, or there's an air bubble around the adhesive. Okay, running my fingers one last time, just making sure, double checking before I apply the dryer to this skylight. Now it's time to cut away the extra plastic so it'll look nice and neat. And I'm going to use my straight edge razor for this, and hopefully your straight edge is newer or sharper than mine. Alright, well, you know I only have 2 hands, so I had to do it off camera, but as you can see, it's looking pretty neat around there, around the skylight. It's looking pretty neat. I think it's just about ready. Alright, I've attached my extension cord to the dryer, and now I'm going to just plug it in, and we're going to see what happens. I'm telling y'all, this is some magical stuff. Just watch this as you just heat up this plastic. It's amazing. It starts stretching and stretching. All the wrinkles come out. Okay, I'm going to have to put this on high. Low just wasn't doing it. Watch the magic. If you've never used this on any of your windows, it really, really works good. I suggest you try it. I'm doing it on a skylight, but you can do this on your windows also, and it really works. See how it's just stretching out? All the wrinkles are going due to the heat. Okay, almost done. Yep, I think that's good enough. Looks pretty flat to me. And usually if you can pluck it with your finger and you don't feel any give like that, you're good. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you have a new house, hit me up below in the comment section and let me know. Are they still putting skylights in the bathrooms? I mean, they are good for ventilation, but in the wintertime, I just can't take it. And don't forget, subscribe, comment, like, and you can even catch me on YouTube TV, on your TV. All you got to do, Hammer and Nails with Bitsy in the search. See you next time. And let me know, are they still putting skylights in the bathroom?